Today, we're going to focus on building a powerful daily vocabulary routine. Whether you're learning a new language or just looking to expand your vocabulary in your native tongue, having a structured approach can significantly boost your word retention and usage. Let's dive into how you can create a daily practice routine that keeps you motivated and helps you learn new words effectively. Why establish a daily vocabulary routine? Building a robust vocabulary isn't just about memorizing words, it's about incorporating them into your everyday communication. Ensuring consistency. Regular practice embeds words deeper into your memory. Contextual learning. Using new words in context helps you understand not just their meanings, but also their usage. Building confidence. The more you use new words, the more naturally they come to you in conversation. Let's look at how you can structure your daily vocabulary practice. Here's a simple and effective routine you can follow to enhance your vocabulary. Morning review. Start your day by reviewing 10 new words. Use flashcards, apps, or a vocabulary journal. Make sure these words are relevant to your interests or needs, as this will make the learning more applicable and engaging. Practical application. Throughout the day, try to use the new words in your conversations, emails, or journal entries. Application helps reinforce your memory and understanding. Evening reflection. End your day by revisiting the same words. Try to construct sentences, or even a short paragraph using as many of the new words as possible. Reflect on any difficulties you faced in using the words and how you might overcome them. Tools and resources for learning vocabulary. To support your daily routine, utilize tools that make learning engaging and accessible. Use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or Memrise for spaced repetition of vocabulary. Online dictionary. Keep a thesaurus or a vocabulary-building book handy to understand different contexts in which a word can be used. You can visit bab.la. Engage in forums or social media groups where people discuss and use new vocabulary actively. There you have it, a structured approach to building and maintaining a rich vocabulary through a daily routine. Remember, the key to vocabulary retention is not just learning new words, but actively using them. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational content, and share your experiences with vocabulary learning in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and keep expanding your linguistic horizons.